Oh, hello. Hi. Johnny. Johnny's hobbies. I'm Johnny, and I've got hobbies. And one of them is how bad I need food. Today we're making, yes, sourdough English muffins. Look at those things. English muffins were imported to England from America in the 1990s. That was like yesterday. I'm going to walk you through the whole process from mixing them to baking them to eating them. Really good, really good. This recipe I followed was thanks to Amy over at Little Spoon Farm. I'd never heard of spoon farms before. So big thanks to Amy at Little Spoon Farm. Check her out in the descripto. Descripto, sounds like a superhero. If this is your first time finding me, please subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you like to do for fun, because that's what I'm doing here, having fun and documenting it on the World Wide Web. Heckle me, hit me up, have fun. Let's do some hobbies. You know, English muffins are American. Samuel Bath Thomas came to America, to New York City in 1875. He started making muffins. Because he was English, he called them English muffins. Selling them in hotels and in grocery stores. They were meant to be fancy for the fancy folks, staying at the fancy hotels. It actually wasn't until the 1990s that England discovered English muffins. Can you believe that? English muffins were imported to England from America in the 1990s. That was like yesterday. So fun. They were called toaster crumpets. Do you want a toaster crumpet or an English muffin? So what'd you think? Pretty good. Like it, subscribe it, like it. That's fun. So much fun. So much fun.